Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you something my sister has bought me, which is makeup, but she got it from Ulta Beauty, and it's a makeup kit, and it looks like this. So the reason I'm so geeked about it is because, well, recently I just bought me some legit makeup, but before I be wearing beauty supply makeup, and sometimes it's not very pigmented, but she actually got it from someplace that the makeup will actually turn out right. Well, I'm not saying not right, but pigmented. So I was like, I was kind of happy about it. But in this video, I'm simply going to be showing you what's inside this box and not actually doing swatches and reviewing. Is that the word? I'm only going to show you what's in it, but not actually using the products that's in it. You get what I mean? And I'm gonna be talking loud and low. I should be talking low because it's 2 o'clock and I have school tomorrow and everybody's asleep, but I get loud, I just can't help it. But yeah, so first let's just admire the outside of the box, which it is all shiny. Ooh, the light shows it really well, you see. Turn it around, it got a little dangler. That's pretty much it. I think the outside is really cute, and I like that it's already you can take it to your friend's house, do their makeup type thing, because it has a handle and everything. So when you just open it like this little thing falls out. It seems it's a drawer right here, and on the top is an eyeshadow palette that I would be pulling out but not actually using, you know what I mean? So this is what it looks like. It's a lot of decent colors, and when I do my makeup, I don't like natural colors. I guess I would do it if I really needed to, but I like colors that are different, popping colors. So these type of colors it has, I really love these purples. I can't wait to show you guys the swatches, a detailed video of this. But yeah, that's what this looks like, and it has all the names in the back, but I'll get into that in another video. On the side, well, first off, it seems like it has a spot for you to hang one of your brushes. Let's see. Oh my bad. Let's see if I can show what that would look like. It'll be like this, and you just store your little brushes right there. But I would probably want to clean my brushes so I won't mess up the actual tan on the white on the back. But on this side, there's 2 sides to it. It's oh, it's so hard to hold. And you pull them out. So I'm going to be showing you guys each side. The side on the right is just a little box where you pulled it out. But on the inside, hold on. Okay. It looks like this. What is that? That just scared the mess out of me. So on this side, it is the makeup, and on this side is the mirror. And this mirror is so freaking clear. It's clearer than the mirror that's in front of me, and that's the mirror my dresser mirror. So I'm just gonna tell you what's in this kit. Well, in this section right now, it has glittery eyeshadows. So these 2 rows are eyeshadows. This row right here is brow definers, different browns, but for brows, you know what I mean? And then these 2 are eyeshadow, and then these are eyeshadow primer, and then these are eyeliner. Eyeshadow primer looks like this. But that's that side. Then on this side is the same box, but different things inside. So this is how it looks. And what is in this one is highlighters on the top and blushes in the middle. And then at the bottom is bronzers, as you can see. I like this, what is it called? This blush. But we don't know how it's gonna look, but we'll see how it looks, you know? So that's that side. Then the next side I'll be showing you is this drawer that's at the bottom. like for some reason it sometimes gets stuck. Like I don't know, I guess it goes like behind this and gets stuck, but if you really shake it, it comes out. And then you take it out, and then this is what this looks like. It has your little eyeshadow applicators. I hope it's called an actual applicator and not anything else, because I'll sound slow. But your eyeshadow applicators, I'm holding them back so I don't want them to fall. Right here are two-sided eyeliners. Seem like this is blue and white, brown and black, and then these two are your lip glosses. It keeps falling out. These two are your lip glosses. You get one lipstick. I'll be showing you guys that in another video of how it looks. And then this last little one that's right here, this is a brow tint. Oh, it looks like this. That's really light. You see it? That color is super duper light. And I'm over here hunching and stuff. I gotta sit up straight. But I don't know, I'm not really so big on the eyebrow thing. Like I mainly just do the whole, what you call it, the eyebrow pomade, the concealer around it, and then boom. But lately, I just been putting a little bit of color at the ends to make my eyebrows finish, and then I'll be done. I haven't been doing too much with my face lately, but now that I have something to do extraness with, maybe I will. So that's it for this box. It had a lot of cute stuff in it, and the one thing I have to say is like I can put my other makeups that I have inside this box, so it's very good with like storage. Like I keep saying like geez, I'm gonna try to use different words, but like I could put the rest of my makeup in here and I feel that it's so easy to maneuver around your room, and it just sits in the corner, all makeup put inside of it. And because right now I have makeup scattered and not in a box, or like not in a baggie, which I need to look into getting a baggie. But yeah, that so it's gonna be another video of me showing you all how doing a look with the things that are in this box, because it's gonna be like more of a detailed video. So this one is basically showing you what's here. The next video is gonna be a detailed video of this, so it's gonna be like a part 2 of this, what do you call this, review? I don't know. And I don't know what this is actually called. Like I know it came from Ulta Beauty, but do you call it Ulta Beauty makeup box, makeup kit? I don't know, but I guess it really doesn't matter, but still. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of rushed, but mainly because it's really late, and yeah. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.